Are you searching for best digital readout in 2023? Hey guys, I am Ratul Khan. I have been working on AliExpress products for about 3 years. Hopefully, my experience and guidelines will help you best product choice. Today I am going to reviews top 5 popular digital readout on the market. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Number 1, HYMSEANN SNS3V DRO Digital Readout. Brand name, HYMSEANN. Model number, SNS3V. Number of axis, 3 axis. The HYMSEANN SNS3V DRO Digital Readout is a measuring tool used in machining and other precision manufacturing applications. It is designed to display accurate readings of linear and angular measurements on a machine tool or other mechanical device. The SNS3V DRO features a high-contrast LCD display with large digits for easy reading, and it can display measurements in both metric and imperial units. It also has a variety of useful functions, including tool diameter compensation, radius/diameter conversion, and inch/millimeter conversion. Overall, the HYMSEANN SNS3V DRO is a versatile and reliable tool that can help improve accuracy and efficiency in precision machining applications. Number 2, Sino 4-axis digital readout. Brand name, Sino. Model number, SDS200. Cable length, 3 meters. Warranty, 1 year. Sino Metal 4-axis digital readout is a measuring system used to accurately measure the position of the axes on a machine tool. The system is designed to improve accuracy and efficiency in metalworking operations. The streamlined aluminum alloy shell with high color value and the silicone key with excellent resilience can be displayed in multiple languages. The function operation is easy to learn and use. It provides an intuitive graphical interface and operation tips, greatly improving the user's operating experience. The LCD adopts a 7-inch TFT 16.7 color high-resolution industrial-wide temperature capacitive screen with high brightness. Strong sense of hierarchy, fast refresh speed, and easy acquisition and display of text and graphic information. The Sino Metal 4-axis digital readout is a popular option for many metalworking applications due to its high accuracy, reliability, and ease of use. It is commonly used on milling machines, lathes, grinders, and other machine tools. Number 3, Fivetecnc Digital Readout. Brand name, Fivetecnc. Model number, SNS3V/FTN Scale. Warranty, 1 year. Fivetecnc Digital Readout DRO is a device that is used to display the precise position of machine tools such as lathes, milling machines, and grinders. The device uses digital technology to provide accurate readings of the position of the machine's axes. Fivetecnc DROs are typically used in metalworking and machining applications to improve the accuracy of the workpiece and reduce the potential for errors. The device can display measurements in either metric or imperial units and can be programmed to display multiple axes simultaneously. Fivetecnc DROs are known for their reliability and accuracy, making them popular among machinists and metalworkers. They are also easy to install and use, and their digital display makes them more user-friendly than traditional analog readouts. Number 4, HYMSEANN HS800-2 Digital Readout. Brand name, HYMSEANN. Model number, HS800-2. Warranty, 2 years. The HS800-2 offers a high-performance universal display console with milling, lathe and grinding functions. This 2-axis model allows up to 2 linear encoders to be connected. Additional interfaces are available to combine axes or convert the input to suit other manufacturers' equipment. Please see the encoder compatibility guide below. Durable front panel membrane with tactile switches and robust die-cast housing. Large easy-to-read LCD display. The DRO HS800-2 is a multifunctional 2-axis digital readout. It can adapt the different needs of machining by modifying the system parameters. It has many graphics machining functions such as arc calculation function, circular equally dividing holes, drilling hole along an oblique line, angular surface processing, calculation function, measurement for taper function, digital filter function. These functions bring the easiness for the graphics function. Number 5. YQLILGEN Digital Readout Kit. Brand name, YQLILGEN. Model number, YH800-2V, 3V set. The YQLILGEN Digital Readout Kit is a measurement system designed to provide accurate measurements of linear displacement in machining applications such as lathes, milling machines, and grinders. The kit includes a digital readout unit, linear scale, and mounting hardware. The digital readout unit features a large, easy-to-read display that shows the current position of the linear scale. It can be programmed for different units of measurement, such as millimeters or inches, and has the ability to perform simple arithmetic calculations. The unit also includes preset functions for common machining tasks, such as drilling and tapping. The YQLILGEN Digital Readout Kit is designed to improve accuracy and efficiency in machining operations by eliminating the need for manual measurements using dial indicators or other measuring tools. It is easy to install and can be retrofitted to most types of machine tools. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and stay with us.